Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to Everyday Off-Road. I'm Mike, and today we're dealing with Double D. Now, as you saw the title, we got to keep our cool. It's starting to get warm out here. We're in the shade right now, but you know what? Over there, in direct sunlight. Woo, man. Wow. It's warm. Double D has some AC problems. Compressor kicks on, vents are so-so. Not a lot of cool air coming from the vent. A lot of stinky air. Something got in here and created a big stink. So first thing we gotta do, we gotta deodorize these vents. So take you along, show you what we do. I get this little product called Odoban. I don't know where you can get it. The missus got it. Right now I don't know where she got it because I can't ask her, she's at work. But it's air freshener and deodorizer, and it eliminates foul odors. So we open up the hood and we spray some in the fresh air intake. Couple spritzes, that's all it takes. Down inside the defroster vents, give a couple squirts. Do not spray it on the dash vents directly in front of the seats. Don't want to do that. That's very strong stuff. If it sprays on you, it's not a good thing. It leaves a nice fresh scent. Ooh, original eucalyptus scent. So it's very good if you're a koala bear. Good thing we're not in Australia right now. I think I'd be overrun by koalas. This is our first step. Because let me tell you, the second step I don't want to do if these vents stink. We're going to fire up the AC. I have a probe thermometer I'm going to put in the dash vent. And we're going to see exactly what Double D is throwing out in the way of temperature. Shall we go in? Smells good in there. Smells like eucalyptus. All right. Let's turn music off. We don't need him playing. Now, great. Doesn't fit in the vents. I don't know if you can read that, but it's saying close to 90 degrees. That's with no airflow. That's just the ambient temperature of inside the Jeep. Well, let's crank it up, kick on the AC, and see what we got. This might take a while. Alright, best I can do with getting this to really show up. We're cranking out 60 degrees, which on a 90-some degree day actually feels cool, but you know what? This AC is cranking up on high. I believe we need to charge this guy. Thankfully, this morning, after breakfast, I made a little trip up to Advanced Auto and I got a can of R134. So let's go get the can. Do what most guys don't do in grid directions, and give Double D something to chill out about. Okay, we're hooked into our correct port. We're dialed into our ambient air temperature outside. It's a little over 80. We're in the green, but just outside the 2 red lines. Alright. We're going to put a little bit in. You know, just to top it off. And you shake vigorously. That's what you're supposed to do. Shake vigorously. Shake like you're having some kind of seizure. Install the can. Now, we'll hold the can upright and give short bursts. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Supposed to shake the can between 12 and 3 o'clock, and right now it's a little after 2. So okay. So to show you here, we're now literally in the middle of the green. That line over there is actually starting to have condensation and actually starting to freeze. Let's even bring you over here and show you. Wetness. Let's go inside and see what our little thermometer has to say. Looks like we're out in the 50s. I don't know how long I'm supposed to leave this here. It feels a lot cooler. Right there's 60. There's 40. Well, upper 40s. Upper 40s, that's about as close as we're going to get. I'll say 50. I can't put any more in, it ain't taking any more. Okay, we're back. The previous video, the last 5 minutes of me talking, I had a little bit of audio problem. Some stupid idiot decided to move the camera over in the way of the vent that was blowing on high, and all you could hear was the vent noise, the wind noise on the microphone of the camera. So it is probably about 3 hours later. I did take it for a run. It's getting a little colder. I believe it's been quite some time since the air conditioner was actually used, so it probably has to get acclimated into running again. Now, would I use this product again? I don't know. Was it worth the money spent? Well, you saw the name on the can. I'm not going to mention names. At Advanced Auto, it was on sale for $35. So they're $15 savings for so-so results. Let's put it that way. I'll call it so-so results. Nice thing is, there's still a half a can left, and I'm pretty sure Gray, our 99 WJ, could use some topping off too. So, while I have you guys here, captive audience, click the subscribe button down over here. It's the red one that says subscribe, to subscribe to our channel. You can see more videos like this. Even though this is kind of an odd video, but then most of my videos are odd. Once you've subscribed, you can click the notification icon. I think it's over here somewhere. Little bell, and that will notify you via email, text message, smoke signal. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly how they notify you, but they will let you know when I post new content here in Everyday Off-Road. So, for Double D, I'm Mike. This is Everyday Off-Road. We shall catch you guys later.